Imagine a single sip of tea that not only soothes your soul but also transforms your health. Discover the magic of herbal teas. Have you ever wondered about the world of herbal teas? These delightful beverages are more than just a drink, they are an experience. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed. The soothing aroma and gentle flavour help you unwind. Feel your worries melt away as you embrace the calming effects of this wonderful herb. That's the power of herbal teas. They offer a unique blend of flavours and health benefits. These teas are more than just a drink. They're a way to connect with nature and enjoy its bounty. They are gifts from nature, carefully crafted to provide both pleasure and wellness. Each sip offers a unique flavour and a health boost. Whether it's for relaxation, digestion or immunity, there's a tea for every need. Unlike traditional teas from the tea plant, herbal teas come from various plants. This diversity brings a wide range of flavours and benefits. We use flowers, leaves, roots and seeds. Each part of the plant contributes to the unique taste and health properties of the tea. This makes a huge variety of flavours. From floral to spicy, there's something for everyone. There's a perfect herbal tea for everyone. Whether you prefer a calming blend or an invigorating mix, the options are endless. Think of peppermint tea after a meal. It helps with digestion and leaves you feeling refreshed. Or imagine ginger tea on a cold day. Its warming properties are perfect for chilly weather. It warms you from the inside out, providing comfort and warmth. Herbal teas have been used for centuries. They have a rich history and cultural significance. Cultures around the world value them for their medicinal and soothing properties. Are you ready to explore the world of herbal teas? There's so much to discover and enjoy. Let's dive in and discover the amazing benefits they offer. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, herbal teas are a treasure trove of wellness. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only learn how to choose the perfect herbal tea for your needs, but also a simple recipe to maximize its health-boosting power. Nature's healing power. Unlocking the health benefits of herbal teas. Herbal teas have been cherished for centuries, not just for their delightful flavors, but also for their incredible health benefits. Herbal teas are like a warm hug for your body and mind. They offer a soothing experience that can help you unwind after a long day. They are packed with good things. From vitamins and minerals to essential oils, these teas are a treasure trove of nutrients. These natural wonders are full of antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining your overall health and well-being. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage. They fight off free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. Think of drinking a cup of hibiscus tea. It's full of antioxidants. This vibrant red tea is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. These antioxidants can help lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea has been shown to support cardiovascular health. They can even boost your heart health. Amazing, right? But that's not all. Herbal teas offer a range of benefits that go beyond just heart health. Herbal teas can also help your digestion. Peppermint tea, for example, is known for its ability to ease digestive discomfort. Do you ever feel bloated after a meal? This common issue can be alleviated with the right herbal tea. Try a cup of ginger tea. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe an upset stomach. It can soothe your stomach. Feeling stressed? Stress can take a toll on your body, but herbal teas can offer a natural remedy. Chamomile tea can be your new best friend. This gentle floral tea is famous for its calming effects. It's known for its calming effects. A cup of chamomile tea can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. A cup of chamomile tea before bed can work wonders. It helps you relax and sleep better, ensuring you wake up refreshed. It helps you relax and sleep better. Herbal teas are not just beverages. They are a holistic approach to health. Herbal teas are like a natural pharmacy. Each type of tea offers unique benefits that can address various health concerns. They offer various health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aiding in weight loss, the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned as we explore how to choose the right tea for your needs. We'll guide you through the different types of herbal teas and their specific benefits, helping you make the best choice for your health and wellness. Sip your way to wellness, choosing the perfect herbal tea for your needs. With so many herbal teas available, finding the right one can be an adventure. Don't worry, we're here to guide you. Let's start with your needs. Do you want to boost your energy? Try a cup of ginseng tea. It's known for its invigorating properties. Need to relax? Chamomile and lavender teas are excellent choices. They can calm your mind and body. For better digestion, consider peppermint, ginger or fennel tea. They can soothe your stomach and ease discomfort. Remember to choose high-quality teas from reputable sources. Look for organic options whenever possible. This ensures you get the purest and most beneficial tea experience. Separating fact from fiction, debunking common myths about herbal teas. Herbal teas have gained immense popularity, but some myths surround them. Let's debunk these myths and uncover the truth. One common myth is that herbal teas are a magic cure-all. While they offer numerous health benefits, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. Another myth is that all herbal teas are caffeine-free. While most are naturally caffeine-free, some, like yerba mate, contain caffeine. It's also important to note that herbal teas can interact with certain medications. If you have any health conditions or are taking medications, consult your doctor before incorporating herbal teas into your diet. By separating fact from fiction, we can approach herbal tea consumption with knowledge and awareness. Section 5. Enhance your herbal tea ritual. Tips for maximum enjoyment and benefits. Drinking herbal tea is more than just quenching your thirst. It's a ritual, a moment of self-care. Here are some tips to enhance your herbal tea experience. Start with fresh, filtered water for the best flavor. Use a teapot or infuser to allow the herbs to fully release their flavors and beneficial properties. Pay attention to steeping time. Oversteeping can make the tea bitter. Experiment to find the perfect steeping time for your taste. Create a relaxing ambience. Light a candle, play soothing music, or find a quiet corner to enjoy your tea. Make it a mindful experience. Savor each sip. Notice the aroma, the flavor, and the warmth spreading through your body. By incorporating these tips, you can turn your herbal tea ritual into a cherished part of your day. Section 6. Listen to your body. Herbal teas for every mood and moment. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us. Herbal teas can be a wonderful way to listen to our bodies and support our well-being. Feeling under the weather? Reach for elderberry or echinacea tea. These herbs are known for their immune-boosting properties. Need a midday pick-me-up? Peppermint tea can help improve focus and concentration. It's a great alternative to coffee. Experiencing menstrual cramps? Chamomile or ginger tea can provide relief. They have anti-inflammatory properties that can ease discomfort. Remember to listen to your body and choose the herbal tea that best suits your needs at that moment. Section 7. A world of herbal teas awaits, exploring different flavors and traditions. The world of herbal teas is incredibly diverse, with countless flavors and traditions to explore. Each region brings its own unique twist to the art of tea making, creating a rich tapestry of tastes and experiences. Let's embark on a journey to discover some unique and exciting options. From the bustling markets of India to the serene landscapes of South Africa and the vibrant cultures of South America, there's a world of herbal teas waiting to be explored. In India, masala chai is a beloved beverage. This spice tea is more than just a drink. It's a cultural experience that brings warmth and comfort. This spice tea combines black tea with aromatic spices like cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon. Each ingredient adds its own unique flavor, creating a harmonious blend that's both invigorating and soothing. It's a warm and comforting drink that's perfect for any time of day. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down in the evening, a cup of masala chai can be the perfect companion. Rooibos tea, originating from South Africa, is naturally sweet and caffeine-free. This red tea is known for its rich, earthy flavor and numerous health benefits. It's enjoyed plain or flavored with vanilla, caramel, or other delicious additions. The versatility of rooibos makes it a favorite among tea enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with different flavors. In South America, yerba mate is a popular choice. This energizing tea is more than just a beverage. It's a social ritual that brings people together. This energizing tea is traditionally consumed in a gourd with a bombilla, a special straw. The preparation and sharing of yerba mate is a cherished tradition that fosters community and connection. It's a social drink that's often shared with friends and family. The act of passing the gourd around is a symbol of friendship and unity, making yerba mate a central part of social gatherings. By exploring herbal teas from different cultures, we can expand our palate and appreciate the rich traditions associated with this ancient beverage. Each cup tells a story, offering a glimpse into the history and customs of the people who cherish it. So let's raise our cups and celebrate the diverse world of herbal teas. Section 8. Embrace the herbal tea lifestyle, making it a part of your daily routine. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful way to enhance your well-being. Here are some tips to make herbal tea a part of your lifestyle. Start your day with a cup of warm lemon water infused with ginger. This refreshing drink can kickstart your metabolism and boost your energy levels. Keep a variety of herbal teas on hand. This way, you'll always have something to suit your mood or specific needs. Incorporate herbal teas into your self-care routine. Enjoy a cup of chamomile tea before bed to promote relaxation and restful sleep. Make it a social activity. Invite friends over for an afternoon tea party and explore different flavors together. Section 9. Share your herbal tea journey. Let's connect and inspire each other. Now that you've delved into the world of herbal teas, we encourage you to share your experiences. What are your favorite herbal teas and why? Have you noticed any health benefits from incorporating them into your diet? What are some of your favorite ways to enjoy herbal tea? Let's connect and inspire each other on this journey of herbal wellness. Share your thoughts, tips and recipes in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thanks and see you in the next video.